How to redeem PlayStation Network gift card. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Go there, type in PlayStation Network login and search for it. Now click on this very first website option, PlayStation.com. You will be directed to the official website of PlayStation. Now you will need to log into your account. So click on this option, sign in and manage preferences. With that, you will land to the login page. Now, over here, you will need to type in your PlayStation account's credentials to log into your account. Go ahead and type in your email or sign-in ID. Once you type in, click on Next. Type in your password. If you have trouble logging into your account, click on this option. With that, your problem will be resolved. Once you fill this, click on Sign In. Once logged in, you will land to this kind of page. Now over here you will find this section of PlayStation Network. Under that you will find the option of redeem codes. Click on it. Click on Continue. Now go ahead and select the game that you want to purchase. Click on Add to Cart. Once you are done selecting the games and adding them to the cart, you will land to the checkout page. And in the checkout page, you will find this section of redeem code. Over here, you will need to type in the code. Then click on Add Payment Method and confirm your purchase. With that, the code will be redeemed. Well, this way you can easily redeem PlayStation Network gift card. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.